Rosa Parks sat on a bus. It was empty when she boarded, so she sat at the front. She sat for a while, on and on they piled. 5 stops moved her to the back. No more space on the crowded place, and so she had to give up her seat. The driver shooed her, tried to move her, but she stayed exactly where she was. The bus stopped at a halt. They waited for the cops, and they put her in chains. The next morning she was released. Her friends and family were relieved. They wanted segregation to be banned, and so they formed a plan. A bus boycott became, and they had to refrain from using public transport for 381 days. They walked together, wore out their leather until justice was served. They got back on the bus and went to work, no longer unfairly curbed.
Looking back from now, I try to forget the past, but it never works. I always remember that in the past, I wasn't the knowledge container, I wasn't the idea spitter, but with hard work and determination, I climbed the stars of superb success, and then the markings on my work were no longer the far-falling Fs, nor those unanswered U-turn questions to ask me to correct my fallacies. I realised I was no longer destined to be the rubbish gatherer, nor a waste cleaner. I could do better and greater, and I did. I became the light bulb of the classroom. I became the sun of the solar system. I became the star pupil. I only needed determination and to outgo all the problems I overcame. Now I am the knowledge container. Now I am the idea spitter. I am the star pupil I dreamed of becoming, and I will do great things to inspire and help others.